Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I just want to give you guys a quick reminder, and that is if you guys have not joined the Telegram group chat, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join. A link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. Now let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer: anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $1.62 trillion. We are down 2.1% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 42.4%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing a lot of red across the board, especially in the last 24 hours, and this should not be coming as a surprise to any one of us. If you guys are a regular viewer on my channel, I have been mentioning this quite a bit, that we need to be monitoring Bitcoin's price very closely. We need Bitcoin to hit specific price targets, which we will get into later in this video, and we need for us to get that confirmation, for us to be convinced that the markets are indeed headed towards the right direction. But today, guys, I want to look more into Polygon Matic. Alright guys, if we're looking at Polygon Matic's price right now, we're currently trading at $1.34. We are down 7.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 7.4% in BTC comparative and 3.7% in Ethereum comparative in just the last 24 hours. Polygon's current market cap right now is $8.42 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $1.2 billion. And its current rank right now is top 17 on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture for Matic, guys, in just the last year alone, we are up 6,183%. Let's not forget that, guys. Please, let's not forget that even in the last 30 days, Matic is up 24.4%. It's holding up very strong compared to some of the other altcoins, and that is a very bullish indicator on its own. If we are deep diving into the price analysis for Matic right now, you guys can see we have not managed to go above this level of support that I have been mentioning. I want Matic to get above within this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. We have been seeing a downwards trend of for Matic. It's unable to hold around this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, even though we do have a lot of support around this level. One thing I want to point out for you guys is that the volume is decreased quite a bit around here. So we do not have a lot of buying pressure for Matic right now compared to around these levels when we were seeing some all-time highs and everything. And this is totally normal in my opinion. If we're bringing out the measuring tool for you guys right off the bat, you guys can see Matic has pulled down since its all-time high. I'm sorry, this is not the all-time high. We need to go measure from around here. So since the all-time high, guys, Matic is down 51.31%. And this, you might be telling yourself, hey, Crypto ZX, that's quite a bit of a drop. But, guys, we need to keep in mind that Matic is one of the coins, I have mentioned this before, it is one of the best performing assets in the cryptocurrency markets over this bull cycle. And, some sort of consolidation is very much needed before we do continue to see some sort of upwards momentum occur in the markets. A lot of people I have been don't underestimate that I do not look at your guys' comments. I look at each and every one of your guys' comments, and I have been seeing a lot of comments coming in. People are saying Matic is going towards the downside, what's going on, this and that. But guys, let's not forget that Matic is up 6,200% in just the last year alone. And even though we are seeing a lot of uncertainty in the markets right now, a lot of fear across the board, it is still by far one of the strongest and the best performing assets in the markets. So please, let's remember that. I always tell all my viewers on this channel. On my channel, I keep things 100% realistic with you guys. I am not a moon boy. I'm not going to come out and tell you guys, you know what, Matic is going straight to the moon tomorrow to $10. Absolutely not. We look at all the possible scenarios, and then we come to a conclusion as to what is the most likelihood that is going to occur in the markets and what could happen with the price. If you guys can see, we were seeing all-time highs after all-time highs for a Matic. It had a very nice rally. We did see the downwards trend, obviously, because Bitcoin did have a flash crash. Not necessarily a flash crash. We did have quite a bit of a crash in the markets, obviously because of the Elon tweet along with China FUD, which did take Matic towards the downside. But let's not forget how fast of a recovery it really did have right after that. And since then we have seen markets obviously tumble towards the downside once again, and Matic is no exception. It will have some sort of effect when Bitcoin does go towards the downside, but it's still holding very strong. So let's not forget that. What I personally would like for Matic to do is get above this level of support at this $1.51 cents. It's a very crucial level of support for Matic, and I would like for us to just trade sideways and accumulate for a month or even couple of weeks. That would be very bullish and healthy in my opinion. I do not like seeing Matic below this level of support. To be quite honest with you guys, I want it to get above this level of support and hover around there in this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, and build more support around here. So when we do see upwards trend, this will be playing as a major level of support for us. And so right now it is going towards the downside, even though Bitcoin did start seeing some sort of a bullish momentum. We have not seen that come into Matic as of now. Matic has not been reacting to Bitcoin's push towards the upside as it has done over around here, these moves. So we do need a little bit more buying pressure to kick in around these levels, and we need to get back into this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. But even if we do trade within this range, guys, still very healthy. But like I said, I want it to get above this level of support very fast, and I believe that is very healthy in my opinion. Looking at Bitcoin's charts right now, guys, you guys can see we are hovering right above this level of support at this $36,117 mark. If you guys are a regular viewer on my channel and have been viewing my videos over the last few weeks, you guys know what the importance of this level of support really is. I need Bitcoin to stay above this level of support at all costs. We do not want us to break below it, because if we break below it, there's a high chance that we could get back down to this 33,000, which is basically the last life support for Bitcoin, which can, if we do not end up closing above this level of support, we could possibly fall below 30k, which I have been saying, and we were very close doing that just a couple of days ago. We saw Bitcoin drop to $30,935, but we were able to close above this, and that did see some sort of reversal occur in the market. So Bitcoin is still looking not so bad, but as I have mentioned in my previous videos, I want Bitcoin to get above $40,000 for me to be convinced that yes, this could possibly be a reversal and us heading towards these price targets for Bitcoin, which will indicate that the bottom is in, and we are indeed headed towards the right direction. But please keep in mind, guys, we do have a possibility of some sort of tweets by these big figures around the world making about Bitcoin. If that kind of tweet does come out, or they talk anything bad about Bitcoin, you guys know the upwards trend could be invalidated very fast, and we could be headed towards the downside. So we do not have any control over that, so please remember that. But if we do break towards the upside, guys, above $40,000, that would mean for Matic that we could possibly get easily back up to this point, 50 Fibonacci retracement level, and gradually move up. But I would like for Matic to just trade sideways for quite a while, for a couple of weeks, before we do continue this upwards trend, because it did have a hell of a rally, guys, and some sort of accumulation is very much needed before we do see some newer highs. A bearish scenario obviously would be that we break below this level of support, which we do not want us to break below, and if we do break below this, guys, then we could possibly get back down to this dollar range. that's still definitely a possibility if we do consider looking at Bitcoin price, and if the volume were not to kick in and the volume were very slow, guys, I mean very low, there's a possibility of us breaking below this. But like I said, the next day or so will be able to tell us what is going on. But so far, everything is looking very, very good for Matic, guys. It is one of the best performing assets, and I believe it is here to stay. It is solving a major issue, which is Ethereum, scalability issue. And along with, it has a lot of hype. It has the liquidity we need. And talking about liquidity, this is why right off the bat I mentioned to you guys that the volume is very low for a project like Matic. We need to see more volume kick in. It is listed on all the major exchanges, in the cryptocurrency space. So liquidity is there, the hype is there. We have some big names around the world in the finance world that are talking about Matic, and it is it has everything for it to succeed, in my personal opinion. But there could be consolidation phases that could occur around the time being, which was very healthy. Nothing is gonna go up straight forever, guys. As much as everyone wants to see that happen, guys, nothing is going to go up straight forever. There's always going to be consolidation phases before we do see some newer highs. My price target is still in the immediate short term to get into this 38.2, but like I have mentioned earlier, I would like for us to trade sideways within this 0.50, build a stronger level of support, and do gradually move towards the upside. But I will keep you guys updated if anything does come urgent. But as of now, nothing to worry about, but we need to get above this level of support. And also, if you guys don't know, you guys can stake your Matic. I know a lot of people do not know that, which is very surprising in my opinion. So Matic is a proof of stake consensus. So you can also stake your Matic tokens and earn passive income. And 22.81% of the total Matic Polygon circulation supply is being staked right now. So $1.873 billion is being staked right now. People are just compounding, their gains that they're earning from staking, and just, compounding over and over and making their bags bigger over time. So if you want to do that, guys, there's a lot of ways to do that. I could make a video for you guys as to which platforms you can stake on. So let me know in the comment section below. And I believe as this number grows, as more and more people start staking it, that is how fast the supply shock can occur. And we are already starting to see that in some of the assets like Cardano. Cardano is holding up a very strong, and has $31.1 billion worth of Cardano being staked right now. I always mention this in all my Cardano videos, and I believe as Polygon increases and more people start talking about it and staking it, we could possibly see a supply shock definitely occur for Cardano as well. But if you do hold Matic, why not earn passive income from it? And as long as you have done your due diligence and research and have invested where you can afford to lose, and you do see the vision in Matic long term, you're not here for the short term gains, you're here for the long term. Might as well stake and do earn some sort of benefits from your bag, rather than just holding it and earning nothing on it. So I just wanted to put that out there for you guys. But everything so far is not looking very bad for Matic. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys do want me to cover Matic on a regular basis. Let me know in the comment section below, and I will bring you guys exactly that. And please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This does help my channel get to a wider audience, and your support would be greatly appreciated. And it helps the YouTube algorithm push my videos out more. And also, guys, come join the Telegram group chat, guys, and stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first. Everything else absolutely comes later. Never forget that. And thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me, each and every one of you guys, especially my regular followers. I love each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you once again. And with that being said, guys, I think I'm going to wrap up today's video around here. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.